In this video, we're going to download and install the Java Development Kit, also known as the JDK, for a Mac. Now, if you're running Windows or running Linux, check out the appropriate video in this section of the course where I show you how to do it for those operating systems because the process is a little bit different. Alright, so firstly we want to go to java.oracle.com. Now, Oracle is the name of the company that have the rights to Java, so we're downloading it from their official site. So I'm going to come over here and hover my mouse over Downloads and go over here to where it's got Java SE and click that. And from here we've got this option here, Java SE Downloads. We're going to click the option here. Now the version that you can see down here currently is 8U121. That may be different. You might have a newer version depending on when you're watching it. That's fine. You can just click on this box in any case. That takes us to the download area. I'm going to scroll down a little bit so we can see, and I'm going to click on Accept License Agreement. And then I'm going to select the Mac version over here by clicking on the file, and that's going to download it onto my computer. So I'm going to save that, and I'll pause the video and come back once it's downloaded. Okay, you can see it's downloaded, so I'm just going to come over here and click on Open, but you, depending on the browser you're using, may have to navigate to the folder where you downloaded the file and just double click it to start. In either case, open the file, and that's going to give us the mechanism now that it's downloaded to install the JDK on our computer. I'm going to double click this file, this icon rather. And we're going to go through and let the installation complete. So I'm just going to click on Continue, click on Install. If prompted for a password, enter your password. And the JDK will now install for us. Okay, click on Close. And I'm just going to click on Move to Trash if that comes up, which deletes the temporary files. And close this all down. And we've now installed the JDK on our Mac, and we're ready to move on to the next video. In that next video, we're going to install IntelliJ, which is the tool we're going to be using to write our Java programs. I'll see you in the next video.